Hi, I'm Paul Smith. I'm here to show you an example of how our maintenance group gets involved in many different projects and levels within the company. Here we have our mixed flow axial fan centrifugal fans for product demonstration in our education center. So we will bring our customers in and they can experience each one of these fans run, and we'll actually monitor the decibels, and we will also monitor the CFM and then the power draw, and they can compare that to our competitors. My automation and control groups, or the automation and control group for Greenheck, actually built and designed all of the automation behind this. Our engineers during a presentation will come with a touchpad, and they'll stand out here and they'll fire up each unit, and the technology and the automation behind that was done actually from our maintenance department.
Okay, that's great. And can you tell me a little bit about the education center? This is where we are right now, this building, and of course this is the product showroom that we're looking at. But tell us a little bit, while we just scan around and see some of the things that are here, tell us a little bit about the education center. Why is it here?
The education center is a pretty impressive building, and what it is it's a place for Greenheck to demonstrate really all the different things that we do, and to show our customers the products that we make and then how to use them, and different applications for these products. Our engineers will bring in customers and other engineers, contractors. They'll show them the product, they'll train them, and it really gives people a good opportunity to really put their hands on things, to really see the inner workings of our units. We'll talk about our manufacturing processes and why they're better than our competitors, and then also some of the technology that we have, not only internally within our company, but also in the products that we sell. We sell a lot of our products with maintenance and reliability in mind. A good example, a lot of our fans will route our grease lines out to an accessible point. Some of the other more critical fans, like for lab exhaust, we do redundant systems to make sure if one fails, the other one fires up. Another example would be continuous monitoring of the conditions on bearing, vibration, and things like that, temperature of belts. That can all be built into our fans, and some of our customers really take that technology and run with it, so we want to be able to run with them.
So education was very important to one of the two owners. There were two brothers, the Greenheck brothers. Can you tell me a little bit about them and tell a little bit about their story and their areas of expertise?
Yeah, so the two brothers at Greenheck, one was an engineer at heart and the other one was a salesman at heart. And the salesman, I believe it's Bernard, he allowed us to invest money in sales and marketing and give us a place to show these fans off. And fans aren't the most exciting topic, but we do a really good job making fans exciting.
Sure, and his name is on this building.
Yes.
So he cared a lot about education and about making sure that not only his employees knew about these products, but the public.
That's
and
right.
The customers. And so tell us about Bob Greenheck.
Bob Greenheck, he's the engineer. He's the one that was pounding the concrete on the manufacturing floor. I've met him once in my life when he was walking through. I wouldn't want to answer a lot of questions from him because he knows more about the process than most people. But he's a lot of the brains behind our manufacturing processes and some of the proprietary processes. A good example here to kind of show is over here on the wall in the education center. We actually have some of the drawings from Bob's original patents.
Oh, cool.
So this is kind of just bringing home, tying the two brothers together and the work that they did together, and then also showcasing some of our more advanced pieces of equipment, like our inline really exhaust, cool. High plume nozzle. These are all in the world of fans, it doesn't get much more complex and reliable than this.
Where would something like this be used?
This will be used on a hospital or in a lab environment where you actually have to get that air out of kind of up into the atmosphere where people shouldn't be breathing. So we don't want certain things getting sucked into other systems. So we really shoot it way up into the atmosphere. These things have continual monitoring of that plume. They'll adjust the cone of the plume to make sure that it's getting up there. And then, like I said, this is a good example of a redundant system. If for whatever reason this one would fail, maybe get hit by lightning, this one will fire up and it'll maintain that airflow and that pressure differential that our customers are looking for.
Wow. And so Bob Greenheck is still very much involved in the business.
Yeah, he frequents the sites. You know, for our machine development center, I've been told that, you know, he walks through there several times a week to keep an eye on what they're doing, making sure that they're building advanced and reliable and useful equipment.
That's fantastic, and it's pretty obvious he's making an investment in the company.
Absolutely.
And new technology. So that's wonderful to see in manufacturing today.